Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to do affiliate marketing by using email marketing. Now, in the previous lecture, we have talked about how to build your list, what type of traffic to drive, how to use solo ads, and right now we want to talk to you about which is the best type of traffic of list that you can actually have to do email marketing with. And I think without no doubt at all, that is a buyer's list. So those are people who actually bought already something from you. How you can build such a list? Well, it depends of the type of business that you run. But given the fact that we are into affiliate, we are discussing about affiliate marketing right now and about the make money online niche. The easiest way to build a buyer's list, so people who already bought a product from you and know that they bought a product from you, so you can brand yourself in front of them as a company or as a person. So you can either build a personal brand or a company brand in front of them, which is specialized in make money online and in online marketing. The best place to do that is to launch a digital. The best way to do that is to launch an actual digital product. And how you can do that is basically in the way in which you have seen that you can find good affiliate offers. So it's to become a vendor yourself of digital products. Which are the best places where you can launch these digital products? The platforms where you can also find the affiliate offers, which we have discussed about earlier in a previous lecture. One of the places that we recommend you to use, or the platforms, is Warrior Plus. And we are going to show you a couple of insights from our account and how you can build a buyer's list and how it actually looks like. And then if you decide, you can do it yourself. You can launch different types of digital products like graphic templates, make money online courses, softwares, WordPress plugins, PLR products, so products like ebooks or video courses or other things like that, which you give to people with resale rights. Done for your websites. You can think of all types of digital products which are related to online marketing or make money online that you can launch and sell. And you don't have to create them yourself, you can outsource them, but this is the topic for a different discussion. Now let us show you how an insight looks for a vendor on one of these platforms, more exactly on Warrior Plus. So we are going to log in right now. And bear with me for a couple of seconds. This is how it looks like. And you can see we have the vendor option here, okay, in the upper part. And if we are going in the product section, we are going to scroll down. And this is how it looks like, okay? The dashboard, these are all the products. Most of them are not single offers, so these are products which we have combined in different types of funnels. A funnel, it's basically a funnel has more products inside of it. So if people buy this product, then they are redirected to see the other product and so on, right? That's what a funnel is. But this is how products look like. For example, we have this one, which is a main product. We had 49 sales of it. So we have 49 unique buyers that know us and already bought something from us, to which we can promote something and sell. This one the same. This one the same, 81 unique people. And if we are scrolling down, for example, this one, okay, 152 unique people. When you already have this sort of people who, this sort of, let's say, numbers of people who bought from you, it's easier to sell to them because they already know you, they already trust you if you have a good product, and they are ready to buy from you again. This is one of the best product launches we had this year, actually, in this niche for PLRs. If you scroll down, you will see that we had even bigger ones like this one, 191 unique buyers, 163 unique buyers, and we actually have one with 303 unique buyers, which, if you think about, it's a good number, okay, 303 unique buyers. There are physical businesses, okay, brick and mortar business, who don't have this type of these numbers of buyers after years of activity. So that's why we are telling you that the best types of buyers that you can have is the best type of leads and emails that you can have in your list are buyers. So this is how it looks on the inside. We are going to obviously blur a little bit the results and so on. We just wanted to show you some of the statistics. Okay, now after you launch such a product, how do you export your list of buyers? It's pretty easy. You just go on the stats. This is how it works for this platform. On others it's a little bit different, but you go on the stats and then you can download the sales. Okay, and in the sales option you are going to have email addresses, the affiliate who sent this buyer and so on. You will have all of these details. Okay, now thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.